comes the man, hot damn.
What's up? This is Jam bringing you a house dance basics tutorial. And in this video, we're going to the source and we're gonna be learning how to do the jack. So when it comes to house dance, the jack is the core fundamental groove. It's not a move, it's really a groove. It is the embodiment of the feeling and the expression within house music. Now the jack is extremely important, not just because it carries the feeling of the dance, but also every other move requires you to have the jack in it. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you the 3 different types of jacks, and I'm gonna break down the technique so that you can really understand it. All right, so to start off, we're gonna do the forward jack first. Forward jack has the emphasis going to the front, okay? So the jack really is like a mix of a rock and a roll. We're kind of doing them simultaneously. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this halftime, and then there's also a full speed version of it, okay? So let's start with the halftime version. Off the bat, we're gonna start going forward on the 1. So this is 1 and. Now from and, what we're going to do is we're actually going to dip our hips back and we're gonna scoop forward like with our knees. So my hips go back, I'm gonna scoop forward, I'm gonna do a body roll going up here. This is gonna carry me straight into the next one. So I go 1 and 2. 1 and 2, okay? From the side, this goes forward, back, I'm gonna dip my hips back, I'm gonna sink to scoop with my hips here. Scoop, I'm gonna roll up to here, yeah? 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, to the front again, we go 7, 8. This is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Boom, okay? So that is more of a halftime way of approaching the jack. And now, if you wanna go full speed, we're going to skip that back and we're gonna go straight into the dip. So how that looks is I'm going to rock forward and I'm going to dip down at the same time. So it's gonna look like this. As I go forward, I'm gonna go down, boom, and then this is gonna roll. So this goes 1 and 1 and, yeah? So boom, 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 okay? From this way, again, I'm going forward at the same time, I'm really dropping down into my hips, scooping up, boom, like this, all at the same time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, yeah? From the front again, 7, 8, this is 1 and 2, 3 and 4, okay? And that is our forward jack.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now we're moving on to the back jack. So the back jack is pretty much the exact same thing as the forward jack, except it goes in the opposite direction, all right? So with this one, halftime first, I'm gonna go back on the 1. 1 and, now with this, I'm going to do a body roll down this way, okay? So going from the chest down, sinking into the hips here. Now, as I come up here, I'm gonna roll this up so that I can go back again. 1, yeah, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay, from the side, this goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, yeah, so right when I lean back on that second one, that's when I'm going to, almost like someone's pushing through my knees, I'm gonna dip down, boom, right here, and then I'm gonna roll this up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, okay? From the front again, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just like that. Now we go full speed. So full speed is now putting them all together. So as I go back, I'm gonna drop right into my knees, drop, swing up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? From this side, going back, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now the key with this, again, is my knees. Right when I sink back, boom, my knees are going out like this. I'm gonna roll it up. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, from the front again. 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the back jack.
Jam, jam, here comes the man. Hot damn.
All right, now going into the third and final version of the jack, and this is the down jack. All right, so this one has a different feeling than the first two. The activation for this one is really coming from my solar plex, okay? So this point here, I'm thinking about putting all my energy here, and how I activate this is through my back. So I'm actually gonna stand to the side. So I'm gonna actually squeeze my back together, right? So I'm pulling back, and this is what pushes this out. Boom. So I'm having almost like this chest pop here. Boom, boom, right? So that's where the activation comes from. Now, the jack part of it is this, I'm gonna push this down, right? So as I go down, I'm gonna sink, arch my back, and as I do this, my head should naturally release. So I'm gonna push down, my head releases. As I come down, I'm gonna pull this up. Now I'm gonna go the opposite. I'm gonna concave and pull up, my head follows. Down and up. Down and up. Yeah, so I'm really from the side, I'm pushing this out almost like this, right? So down and up, down and up, okay? So now this jack is nice because this one really has more of a sway to it if you want, like it doesn't have to just go down. This one can allow you to be a little bit more fluid if you wanna go like side to side, but there is this release, this push and pull, okay? So nice and slow from facing forward, we go 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the side, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, in real full speed, we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so I'm really pushing here. And then we can also go like this if we want. This one can just have more of a freedom to it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man. Hot damn.
So those are your 3 basic jacks. Now, if you want more training with this, I just put out a brand new online class in my membership here on YouTube. You can check that out by clicking the join button. In that video, we go through all of the basics of house and put them together in a progression for you to practice. Now, if this video has helped you at all, feel free to hit me with a like, and you can subscribe if you like more tutorials like this. Leave me some feedback. Let me know what kind of tutorials that you want to see, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.